Hi 5th grade, this is Mrs. Barrow. As promised, I am doing a tutorial on Excel to get you up to speed where we are now. So I need you to open OneDrive, go to your 5th grade folder, and then New Excel Workbook. Once the book is open, can you please double click at the top on the book, and we're going to call this Pocket Money. And hit your Enter key. So just as a reminder, we have columns and we have rows. So column headers and row headers. Yeah. So at the moment, when I click into a cell, this is the name box and I am in A1, and this is the formula bar whereby you type your information, or the information you type will be shown here as well if you need to edit it. So if you click into A1 and do Control and right arrow, it will take you to the furthest part you can be on your spreadsheet. And if you do Control and down arrow, it will take you to the last row. I need to get back to A1. I go to my name bar and I type in A1 and it will take me there. I'm going to increase my screen so you can see what I am doing. So whenever you're in a cell, you will see that there is a box around it that tells you you are in a cell. I'd like you to click into B1 and type the word January. Now, if you type the word January, I'm going to type it incorrectly, and then go to my little friend, my square, and copy. It will copy it. That is not what we want. So make sure that you spell the word correctly. So January. And then when you click on the square, bottom right hand corner, there's a square, and drag along to M, we get the days of the month. You'll see that the months do not fit in correctly, so I'm missing the R. If you go up in between the columns and double click, it will show it will readjust itself so that the word fits in the cell. Okay, I'm going to go to A2 and type the word week 1 and week 2. You're going to see I've got a white arrow. Click and drag down to week 2, and then again go to the little square and go down 3. So we have weeks 3, 4, and 5. So there's not a lot of typing going on. And then I'm going to type the word total. Now, I want money. So you can click and drag over your area. Or the quickest way I usually do it is click on the first one, where your first cell, hold your shift key down and go to the last cell. I'm going to go up to my dollars. Now, if you cannot see your dollars, then it means that you're not on simplified ribbon. So all you have to do is if it says single line ribbon, click on the left side and it will bring you to simplified ribbon. And you need that to be able to see everything. So again, I'm going to hold my shift key down and go down to my totals because I need money on that. I'm going up to my dollars and I'm going to select United States. So now when I click into it, I'm going to say for the first week in January, I got $20. Then I got $30. I got $20 and so forth. Now, if you put a number in which is too big, you'll get this. It just means that the number is too big for the cell. If you go up in between B and C and double click, or click and drag, it's not working, it will change it. But I don't want a big number like that. This is pocket money. So I'm going to say in the 5th week of January, I was lucky enough to get $40. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, just to expedite things, to make things a lot faster, I'm going to click with my white arrow all the way down. And then with my green square, I'm going to drag it all the way over. And you'll see that the monetary value is this, sorry, my machine is, technology, playing around at the moment. So you can see that I earn the same amount of pocket money every month. So now, I love to put titles in. If you go to one and click on one, right click and insert, I will get another row. And I'd like you to do that twice. I'm now going to click onto A1 and I'm going to type the word pocket money. Yes, it does. It goes into the B. We're going to click on A and I'm going to make this Arial black and I'm going to make it 26. So now it goes from A through to E. Fine. I'm going to click on A1, hold my shift key down and go to M1. So shift key and click on M1 and then I'm going to go in between the word view and automate and I'm going to click on merge and center, which is the second one down. And you'll see that pocket money is now in between January through to December. So now I'm going to go to my shading, my fill color, and I'm going to change it to blue. You can use whatever color you like. And then beside it, I'm going to my borders and I'm going to have a thick border. Now, because January through to December is also a title, I'm going to click on number 3 and make it bold. I'm going to click and drag all the way down to my total and make it bold. And at this point, you are at the same point that we are in class. I do not want you to do anything else. So hopefully you've followed this tutorial and by next week when we have class again, you'll be at the same point everyone else is. Okay, until then, bye.